Lions are the top predators on the grasslands because of their successful hunts and territorial battles. But behind their victories lie many wounds and challenges. They constantly face threats from other predators and even from other lions. In this harsh world, only the strong survive and the weak must give way. In the wild, male lions often face fierce battles to protect their territory and show themselves as leaders. They live for about 14 years, shorter than female lions, and their lives are full of dangers and difficult battles. Due to constant fighting, male lions become tired and become easy targets for other animals. Once the proud king of the savannah, this lion now faces a sad fate, struggling with hunger and weakness. This leopard no longer shows its usual strength and confidence. It looks like it has just been through a fierce and intense battle. A deep wound on its hind leg causes it a lot of pain and difficulty in moving, putting the leopard's life in serious danger. It will have a hard time in the coming days as the wound will make it difficult for it to hunt. On the plains, a male lion struggles with a serious wound that prevents him from running or hunting. His weakened condition makes survival difficult as danger surrounds him on all sides. In the park, the lion's tired eyes and emaciated, scarred body show the effects of constant fighting and injury. He has lost much of his strength and can no longer hunt as well as he once did. With the harsh conditions and deep wounds, the lion faces an uphill battle for survival in the coming days. Dealing with fierce and powerful animals like wildebeests is difficult. During a fight, a lion tried to take down a wildebeest but was injured by the wildebeest's sharp horn, which got stuck in its hind leg. Despite the pain, the lion was unable to pull out the horn. The wildebeest then shook its head violently, causing the lion to fall and use this opportunity to escape. This old and weak lion faced threats not only from other animals in the grasslands, but also from other lions. Attacked by two large male lions, the injuries on its body left it exhausted. The final battle marked the end of its life, and it was time for it to make way for new leaders. Despite its strength against larger prey, in this case the lioness was defeated by a small but dangerous creature. A venomous black mamba bit her, and the poison quickly spread throughout her body. The poison paralyzed her muscles, leaving her unable to move or breathe. As the lioness struggled with the pain, she became vulnerable to a pack of hungry hyenas or vultures who could soon make her their next meal. When it spotted its prey, the leopard swam across the river and quietly advanced along the riverbank. Moving carefully and patiently, it sneaked up to the crocodile, hiding. At that moment, the leopard attacked from behind, quickly climbing on the crocodile to prevent it from fighting back. With a strong bite, the leopard's jaw clamped down, making it impossible for the crocodile to escape. The leopard continued to swim closer, attacking and trying to grab the crocodile underwater. Although the crocodile resisted fiercely and opened its jaws wide, it still could not escape from the leopard. In this fierce battle, the leopard used its strong swimming skills and flexibility to overpower the crocodile. In the wild, jaguars are known for their hunting skills and territorial behavior. When a jaguar attempts to invade the territory of another animal, such as an otter, they quickly band together to defend their home. The otter's aggressive behavior makes the jaguar nervous, and it decides to back off and leave its territory. Along the riverbank in Brazil, a male jaguar with battle scars from previous battles is watching carefully. Then, it dives into the water, quietly approaching a crocodile swimming near the shore. With a swift move, the jaguar grabs the crocodile and pulls it out of the water, demonstrating its powerful hunting skills. Every year, wildebeests migrate to new lands in search of food. This migration attracts the attention of a herd of cheetahs. The cheetahs quickly chase the wildebeests, and one of them gets separated from the herd. This lone wildebeest becomes an easy target for the cheetahs. Using speed and teamwork, the cheetahs quickly overpower the wildebeest and bring it down. Amidst the chaos, the cheetahs begin to enjoy their meal. Leopards are very good at approaching their prey stealthily. The leopard hides behind bushes, observing the herd of antelopes from a high vantage point. It waits for the right moment to strike. When the herd of antelopes approaches the leopard's hideout, it jumps out, grabs one, and quickly subdues its prey. The leopard then holds the antelope, ensuring that it cannot escape until the prey is completely immobilized. Leopards usually avoid fighting other predators, but if a hyena dares to challenge them, the leopard will not back down. After many days of starvation, the leopard decided to go looking for food in the swamp. With its agility and determination, it caught a large catfish, temporarily satisfying its hunger. Leopards are highly intelligent and opportunistic predators. They use their excellent climbing skills to climb tall trees in search of chicks. These chicks are easy targets for leopards and pose no threat or risk. The cheetah is a powerful and brave predator, and today it is chasing a wildebeest calf. It is known as the fastest animal in the world. The wildebeest calf has no chance against the speed and skill of the cheetah. It is quickly caught and becomes a meal for the predator. A leopard tried to climb a tree to escape from the lions. The lions attacked it repeatedly, pulling it down from the tree. Although the leopard was in a difficult position, it skillfully rolled back and fought back fiercely with its sharp teeth and claws. One of the lions was injured in the head during the fight. Seeing how difficult the fight was, the lions decided to let the leopard go. A duiker antelope desperately tries to fight off a cheetah on the road. The cheetah uses its powerful body to pin its prey to the ground and then attacks with its sharp teeth.